don't get your shorts in a bunch. I'll get us help. Hey, buddy, why'd you let that big lummox walk all over you like that? Hey, you guys, why don't you come to a real swinging pool party? Okay, I guess you just don't have it in you. I don't know. I'm just a common woodpecker. Look, I brought my money. Can't I just eat something? I'm starving. Ooh, bad porter. Well, so long, wallflower. Say, buddy, that's my melon. Sorry there, neighbor. I'll just practice in the other direction. Look, Wally, I gotta have this butterscotchy finger pie. I'll give you $5, $10, $20 for it. I'm a disgrace to my species. I'm not worthy of the woodpecker name. So, how'd you like my big finish? It's my lucky day. Used cars and Bolorama, next exit. But the Healand Games. You mean I was carrying a decoy? I'm a disgrace to the McPecker clan. Well, what do you know, Coach? We're synchronized swimmers.
What to do? I've got to train for the border toss. One heave couldn't harm anyone. Who's gonna notice one toss?
Hey, buddy, can you put your cable on sale for a true Scottish patriot?
No! I am a woodpecker!
You know, this life of leisure is wearing me down. What I need is a vacation.